Nasaang punto ka na ba ng no contact stage mo? First day, first week, first month, or first year? Ang unfair 'no, kasi hindi mo na naman talaga ginusto 'to, eh. Happy ka ng mag-isa, may sarili kang buhay, at hindi mo naman ginustong may papasok sa buhay mo, paiibigin ka kahit naman hindi mo hiningi 'yun, at 'pag ikaw na yung nahulog, eh, hindi ka rin naman pala pipiliin. And all you ever wanted is just to go back to that day that you don't have this problem, just to get out of it. But whatever you do, you just can't get that person out of your head. Kaya nga kailangan mong mag-no contact eh. Because no contact has been proven to be effective. Isipin mo to babe, if it's out of your sight, it's out of your mind. But it's never going to be easy, I tell you that. Eh araw-araw mo ngang hinahanap eh, tapos na yun, hindi ka magpapakita. As difficult as it is, I tell you, you just have to go through with it. Because once you go past a few months, or sabihin na natin a few weeks, then magkakaroon na ng clarity yung isipan mo. It may not happen right away, but slowly you'll get there. At dito mo na hinay-hinay makikita yung realization ng red flags, inconsistencies, and then you'll slowly accept the fact why it's better that you and that person are not together.